Unlocking the ZTE U60 Pro, or MU5250, is same as G5B, which we previously did. Begin by visiting techunlockhub.com. Open your browser, navigate to the website, and click on the ZTE Code tab. Fill out the form with your router's details, choose your payment option, and complete the transaction. Your unlock code will be sent to you via email within the given time frame. Once you've received the unlock code, let's proceed to unlock your ZTE MU5250 or U60 Pro router. Insert a SIM card from a different network provider and power on the router. For instance, if your router is locked to STC, insert a Zane SIM card, or the other way around. Connect the router to your computer or smartphone using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Next, open your browser and visit 192.168.0.1 to access the router's settings. Log in with the default password, which is usually found on the sticker under the router. The router will prompt you to enter the unlock code. Since you've already received it from techunlockhub.com, just copy and paste it. Then click OK. If the code is correct, you'll see success, and the new network will appear. Wait a few seconds and the router will connect to the internet. If it doesn't connect automatically, set up the APN for the new SIM card and your router should connect. For any assistance, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Messenger. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video.